Last week my Rio broke down. There's a problem with the ECU. The check engine light on ACC is not lighting up. So I had it fixed last Wednesday, and now it's perfectly fine. So what happened is that I just had it parked and not being used for a week. I don't know if that is the cause, but I know that it contributed because before that it was working fine. It was a one-click start. So lately what I have learned is that at least start your car when you're not going to use it for at least 5 to 10 minutes a day. You can do it consecutive days, or you can do it every other day. So today I've also recorded a video of starting the car and driving it around the neighborhood just to keep the components of the car working and circulating. So that's all.